Learn to ride faster, unique, single-gear balance bike design with pedals that fold in and out so your child can learn to ride a bike faster. Easy to transform, switches back and forth between balance mode and pedal mode with ease, Allen wrench included. Easy assembly, assembles in minutes with minimal tools. Grows with you, adjustable seat and handlebars so the My First Balance to Pedal bike grows as your kid does. Never flat tires. Durable tires made from EVA foam that never go flat so you don't have to worry about pumping bicycle tires anymore. Top reviews from the United States. Great bike. This bike is so adorable. We got this for my son's second birthday. He loves bikes and was so excited to open this, but unfortunately his feet don't touch the ground yet. It's a little too big for him, but he will grow into it over time. There was a bolt missing that didn't come with it for the steering wheel, but other than that, a wonderful good quality bike.